Okay, so let's take a look at congruent markings. Remember, we said that with congruent, it has to be the same size and same shape. There are some different markings on figures that can help you determine whether or not line segments or angles are congruent. The first one is hash marks. With hash marks, it'll show you which sides are congruent. If they have the same number of hash marks, then the line segments are congruent. So let's take a look at these two triangles. If you notice, line segment BC has only one tick mark. If we look over at the other triangle, the other line segment that only has one tick mark is line segment NM. So because of that, those two line segments here and here are congruent. If we notice AB, which has two hash marks, that's the same as angle LM. They also have two hash marks. And line segment AC has three hash marks, and so does line segment LM. So the hash marks let you know whether or not the line segments are congruent. Now, another marking that we have are angle markings. So that will show you if the angles are congruent. So if we notice angle A has one angle arc or mark here, and on the other side in the other triangle, angle L has the same angle arc. They only have one. However, if we look at angle B has two of those. And on the other triangle, angle M has two of those. So those two angles are congruent or equal. And the last one, sometimes you'll see an angle mark like this, and then it'll have one hashtag on it. That means that they're the congruent or the same as well. So angle N would be congruent to angle C as well. So you can use those hash marks and angle marks to help you figure out whether or not angles and line segments are congruent.